Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up the free version of Topical Authority Guard on your WordPress site. We'll start with this example site where we'll define topical authority using cores, pillars, and leaves. First, let's create our first core. Navigate to the settings and select your main topic page, in this case, family law. Once you've selected the page, click Assign Core to establish the foundation of your topical hierarchy. Now you'll see the core label next to your page. Next, we'll set up child support and divorce as pillars. Select your pillar pages, use the bulk actions menu, and assign them under your family law core. In the free version, you'll need to manually insert the schema code. Let's look at the divorce page as an example. Copy the generated schema snippet from the Topical Authority Guard section on the right. Add a custom HTML block to your page, paste the code, and hit save. It's that simple. And there you have it! Your site structure is now optimized for search engines. Thanks for watching.